Hi, I'm Ricky Khamis, your reliable source for the latest real estate news. I'm excited to share some breaking news about a new FHA loan program that may be of interest to home buyers, especially those who are looking for financing options with a high loan-to-value ratio. The program is designed to help borrowers qualify for a mortgage loan with a loan-to-value ratio of 100%. This means that you may be able to buy a home with little to no money down payment, which can be a great option if you're a first-time home buyer or have limited funds for a down payment. So if you are looking for a way to buy a home without having to come up with a significant down payment, this new FHA loan program may be worth exploring. This program, so you understand completely how it works, is a first mortgage, and because FHA allows second mortgages, there is a second mortgage for the down payment of 3.5%. So all you need to do is simply come up with $1,000 and you could buy your own home and become a homeowner. You do not need to be a first-time buyer. You just can't have two FHA loans at the same time. Well, you can technically, but not for this. All you need to do, like I said before, is come up with $1,000 and you can buy a home. Have less than favorable credit? That's also okay. As long as you're above the 600 FICO that is required, then you're good to go. Think about it. Rent is around $2,500 a month, and you can never get into a rental for less than first and last month's rent. All we're asking for is $1,000 down. That's insane. This is a brand new program, so jump on it as fast as you can. Who knows how long it will last? That's all for now. I'm Ricky Khamis. Stay tuned for more market updates as they develop.